Hi everyone, Imran here with another short video on how to take screenshot on the iPad Pro. The method is really simple. You need to press two buttons together. One is volume up and the other is the top button, also called the power button. So I will press these buttons together, power and volume up. As you can see, it has taken the screenshot. You can edit it, crop the images, make some text. Pro Geeks. And you can save, delete, or share it, email it, and save it in your notes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.